Meanwhile, there were new election promises on the Jamaica Labour Party side as well. The party held a press briefing today.
Prime Minister and JLP party leader Andrew Holness took to Twitter on Wednesday, promising that if the party forms the next government, any safe, tested COVID-19 vaccine developed will be made available free to all Jamaican citizens. At the party's online press conference on Wednesday, the JLP campaign spokesperson, Kamina Johnson-Smith, explained how that would work.
Jamaica is a part of the PAHO WHO COVAX vaccination program at this point in time, and that is a grouping which seeks to leverage for developing countries the strength of our numbers and, of course, the global community in ensuring that world safety is achieved. So we're negotiating to ensure that there is a level playing field for access, and that access is not only for countries with the big bucks.
Both parties have been criticized for hitting the campaign trail despite the threat of the coronavirus. The issue hitting home in the JLP camp with Port Maria Mayor Richard Creary testing positive for the virus. Two of the party's candidates, Robert Montague and Dr. Andrew Wheatley, were nominated in absentia as they were in self-isolation. Both had reportedly taken COVID-19 tests.
Minister Robert Montague has received his test results and he has tested negative. You recall that he had put himself voluntarily in isolation, so he can now feel free and confident, given especially that the event was 2 weeks ago, that he can now rejoin the campaign trail.
She says Dr. Wheatley is still awaiting his results. Ms. Johnson-Smith said the Prime Minister has taken note of the disregard of COVID-19 protocols, particularly on nomination day.
In response to his concerns about the inconsistency in the practice of the COVID-19 protocols, he will not only be distributing more masks, but he has implemented a COVID safety protocol team that goes ahead of his motorcade to try to ensure that as best as possible, crowd control is being managed and masks are present, that people have sanitizer, alcohol, and that safety is being made key.
She has again called for party supporters to adhere to the measures.